welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at Domikey's White on Black ASA Profile Keycap set. I got the White on Black from drop.com for $75, which is why I'm sort of rushing this video out. It's on sale today for $75, again, down from its regular of $90. It's an all-in-one kit, which contains 151 keys, and should cover most board layouts. It's made of a nice, thick Doubleshot ABS plastic. The first thing I noticed about this set was the really nice packaging. It has 3 trays to hold the keycaps in place, and it really does lock them in. The first tray is the alphas, second is the numpad and modifiers, and the third is the larger keys, the alternate space bars, and ISO enter. These trays are a little bit tough to open. Just be gentle with them. If you pull too hard, you'll end up scattering your keycaps all over the room. SA was the first keycap family produced by Signature Plastics' parent company, Comtech Inc. These keys had a spherical touch area and the same profile for all rows, thus the SA, spherical touch, all row. In the mid-80s, there was an attempt to standardize keycaps to a DIN standard, the Deutsche Institut für Normung, the German Institute for Standardization. This resulted in a new high-profile family, the DSS, DIN, spherical touch, sculpted key, but it wasn't really that popular and was pretty quickly retired. A short time later, the SA family was retooled to produce a sculptured look, but they kept the same name and the modern SA profile was born. Here you can see the spacebar is not double shot, but the ISO has a really nice double shot patterning. I'm going to go ahead and measure a couple of these, kind of show the thickness. They average 1.2 millimeters to just a little more. I think the spacebar might have been a little less. If you measure the double shot, it's about 2.2 millimeters if you get both the black outer layer and white inner layer. You can see the spacebar is single shot ABS, about 1.1 millimeters. The legending here looks really nice. Just very clear, very crisp legends on these double shots. It just looks great. Domikey does a really good job with this. The one key I noticed that is a little off is the print screen. I'm going to take a look at that in a minute, kind of compare it to the rest of these. Yeah, these alphas look so good. I really love these lettering. The The legends are crisp, has a very retro sort of aesthetic to it. Really reminds me of old terminal computers and old terminal keyboards. Here's that print screen. You can see that the eye just sort of, I don't know if it's too narrow or too off-centered, but it's a tiny bit off. But that's really the only key I could complain about at all. I wanted to show the difference in the profiles. Here you've got two cherry profile keycaps. They're from a Leopold board. You can see the Q and the function are just, I mean, the SA profile is nearly twice as high. That's going to wrap it up for today. In summary, the white on black is a great keycap set with clean lines and a really classic look. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.